We have a really fine example of a 1966 Chevelle SS396. It's a real SS car. That's right in the VIN number, number match motor, trans, rear end, and it's loaded up with options. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, knee knocker, tachometer, tilt, and a whole lot more. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find a price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars that are all for sale. Each one is a monthly finance option as well. Make it a little easier for you. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This is an exceptional car. It's from a real good seller. He's actually owned it 16 years. This is all nice, straight, clean, smooth, fits right. The SS has these little domed scoops on the hood, but it's flush and square. All lines, there's a lot of intersections right here, and it's all real nice. Smooth all along the bottom. Oh, it opens so easy. Shuts like a new car. All of this is straight, no issues. All looking really good. Little tiny dimple right there. Excellent, excellent shape. Straight, lines up real nice. No issues at all. This is fantastic. I mean, look down the side of that car. It is absolutely straight. A few chips right on the edge of the door here. Other than that, I'm not seeing, shrinkage or cracking or bubbling or anything like that. It's beautiful paint. Milano Maroon, I think it's called. It was repainted in. Has a light metal flake to it. All one color, all smooth and glossy. Beautiful body and paint. The trim is sparkling. You can just tell it's all shiny, straight trim. The rain gutters are all real nice. A remote mirror, that's rare. It has a little Chevy bow tie. I don't know if I've seen this on a Chevelle. All these moldings are straight and shiny. The little grills in here are not pitted. They're real nice. This is nice chrome, like an 8 out of 10. Up front here, everything's real sharp. Has optional bumper guards. Has T3 correct headlights. All that trim is very nice. Cross flag emblems are sparkling new. Wheel well moldings, rocker moldings are excellent. Correct antenna. Windshield might be original. It's in very nice shape. A few little surface little nicks. This is all nice original vent window frames. They're in good shape. The fuzzies look like they've been replaced. Door handles are real shiny. Super Sport is sparkling. Bumper guards in back too. Bumper, tail lights, emblems, all that trim is excellent. The rear window is very good original. The trim's real nice. No vinyl top. It's a good looking car. 15-inch BF Goodrich. Yeah, BF Goodrich radial redline tires. The rally wheels are in great shape. The trim is all nice and shiny. So there you go. Beautiful car. Let's open it up, give you a tour of the inside. Got a nice, clean, complete trunk, and it's got some bonus goodies for you. Well, the underside of the trunk lid's painted real nice. Look at that working trunk light. This has the convenience group, which is the lights. So under the lid has the stickers. The jamb is nice. Weather strips are real nice. I believe this is an original metal car. Got a spare. Got the jack assembly, the mat, the cover. Sales brochure. This is the original Holley carburetor, or correct one at least. It's all been restored. Has a retro stereo, but this is a factory AM/FM radio. I'm sure that's worth a few pennies by itself. Looks like a new grille and headlight bezels and the correct air cleaner. But other than that, a nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. We are putting up a lot of great cars, great content. Jambs are painted real nice. Weather strips fit real nice. Door panels look pristine. Armrest, window, door handles. There's no window cranks because they're power windows. That's a rare option. And then the remote mirror as well. So all this is super nice and clean. This would be the factory gauges. Instead of dummy lights, it has gauges on each end. Shows 52,000 miles. I have no idea if that's original, but this is original plastic here. It's got a little bit of yellowing, and look how nice it is. This is a clean, clean car. Dash pad is excellent. Retro stereo. All of this is so good. I wouldn't be surprised if that was the actual miles. Kick panels are clean. Carpets are fresh. Has new mats. Has the optional console with the clock, although it's only right twice a day. This all looks fresh. It's all real nice. The seats are in excellent shape, reupholstered beautifully. Backs of the seat. See, it's just tidy everywhere you look. The light at the back of the console works. Same thing back here. All of the upholstery, the side panels, the armrest, power window switches. Oh, look how fast it goes up. Can have window races with this car. 6x9 speakers in the rear shelf. Headliner's mint, and it's tight as a drum. I just bought a GTO earlier today, and it has a new headliner, but it's all wrinkled. Working dome light, nice new visors, the day and night mirror. Couple options here, real nice options. The deluxe wheel on a tilt column, that's rare in a Chevelle. And then kind of skipped over the knee knocker tack. That's where the factory put the tachometer, and you can figure out why they call it a knee knocker. But this is an extremely nice, tidy, clean interior. Very tidy. I like it a lot. This is one of those cars, the more I look at it, the more I'm liking it. So this is the original 396 motor, making 325 horsepower. We check casting codes, dates. It is VIN number matched on the front pad. Not only do we check all that, but we put pictures of it on our website. So this is a nice air cleaner you typically see, but the original one's in the trunk. This has a newer dual feed Holley carb. The original carb, again, in the trunk. It looks like it was all restored. Chrome valve covers. Everything looks tidy, clean, proper. Original manifolds. All the metal, all painted nicely. Fuel pump looks fresh. The pulleys, shroud, everything looks real good. Reproduction hoses and clamps. So this is the correct power steering for 1966. The reservoir is over here. Washer bottle is hooked up. And we have power brakes. So power steering, power brakes, don't take that for granted. Back then, not all the cars came with them. I've got a picture of the cowl tag on our website. Underneath the hood is also nice with the working light. That was so nice. I opened the hood and it lit up real nice. Very tidy in here as well. Michael's going to take you and show you what she's got.
Everybody, absolutely beautiful day here, and we just got this spectacular car. So I had a chance to drive this one around the block already, and it just runs totally sweet. Smooth, numbers matching 396 under the hood here. Automatic trans, doesn't get any easier than that. Of course, you got the bucket seats that have been recovered with the center console. The car's just got a great feel to it. Power steering, power brakes, power window, guys. Look at this, all the way around. It actually worked pretty quick. So, tilt column. Got the deluxe wheel on there too. Beautiful. Gotta love the knee knocker tack. Does have the additional gauges around the speedometer as well. Everything appears to be working there. Turn signals light up, temperature, oil pressure, battery, everything looks good. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Yeah, it did the exact same thing last time. Plenty of acceleration, exceptionally smooth car. I mean, just if the motor feels like it's balanced and blueprinted, I don't think that's the case on here, but it's just a super smooth running motor, smooth shifter. And again, look on our website because there's a couple other options that I know I'm forgetting on this one. Oh, it does have a 331 posi out back. But yeah, check out all the details on the website for sure. I know the radio does work. Get that going. So that's like a modern, digital radio. And yeah, everything is just in proper working order on this car. It's fantastic and it's rare on top of that. So I like that it's smooth. We get a lot of cars that are like louder exhaust and everything. And this has got a much more, I don't want to say stock sound to it because it's aftermarket, but it's a mellow kind of exhaust, but you still know you got something that you're working with, something beefy under the hood. So yeah, if you want to come test drive it yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to come visit us in Volo, Illinois. Contact anybody in our sales department. They'll be more than happy to go ahead and arrange a test drive for you. Just talk to Joey or Eric and they'll set you up. But yeah, as I see it, it's an exceptional vehicle, really rare too at that, and you're absolutely going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath the car is really clean as well. I was most impressed by the floors. They look to be completely original. All the seams are just crisp and clean. No cuts or aftermarket welds that I've seen. And someone took the time to clean them and spray them in a gloss or semi-gloss black. They're beautiful floors. That door shuts like new as well. All the suspension, steering, it's all been checked out. It drives incredibly well. We took it to a front end shop, had an alignment done. They also inspect the cars for us as far as that part of it goes, and it's all good. Shocks do look new, has air shocks in the back. That shuts nice. Everything just fits nice, shuts nice. You've seen how their window went up and down. This is a nice car, exceptional. They didn't have disc brakes yet, so it's drum brakes all around. They're all working really well. The hoses have been replaced. E-brake is hooked up. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Gas tank has been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The correct type starter is clean. Has the flywheel cover, and it has the canister type screw-on oil filter that they were still using back then. Automatic transmission, also nice and clean, right up to the top of it. All clean, so I'd assume that's probably been out, rebuilt, or serviced. And it has its original 12-bolt 355 posi rear end. Actually, maybe it's a 10-bolt. Let me look real quick. Nope, that's a 12-bolt. 355 posi. We even matched up the codes and the dates, which is proper for this car. So we got a sweetheart of a car. I'm going to call it loaded up. Automatic, power steering, power brakes, power windows, gauges, tilt, stereo. Nice car to just spend the whole afternoon driving. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer the rest of your questions, like how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit volocars.com. Thanks for watching.